There's a railroad line ran through my town, right in the middle. There's a railroad line right down the center of the town, divide east from west. That's where that train ran. There's a railroad line. I'd come in at night from Chicago, maybe from Galesburg. There's a railroad line ran right through the town, right through the middle. Switch off to Santa Fe and come in on the CB&Q. There's a railroad line. I used to get on it and come in at night from California and been in the military. There's a railroad line.